All right. Let's get everything together. Talking to the camera, Kaka. Y'all saw my videos? Mm-mm. Good to good times and bad times. All right, we're waiting for the first 15 minutes to close. Let's go ahead and start scoping out our plays. Start sniping. What sniping? You know how you be sniping in rivals? I'm sniping in the market. Let's go. All right, 9:42. Just waiting. So far as it like market's pulling back, QQQ. Spy. You want to be in it? All right, come here. You can be in it for a second. Okay. You gotta come here. Here you go. Say what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up, everybody. You can't. You looking over there. Look over here. The camera's right there. So. Say what's up.
What's up?
Now I gotta make a trade. I gotta make some people some money. Yeah, bro. He wanted to get in so bad. He wanted to get in the camera. All right. Let's see. 9:43. Giving it a few more minutes. Giving it a few more minutes just to see the range. All right. SPY look like it's down. QQQ down on the day. Dang. QQQ dropping. Looks a little red today. Kyrie, you on the phone? Is mommy on your iPad? I don't know why I hear her. Where my other phone at? All right, it's 9:45, so we got our 15-minute range. Look like it's a little bounce. Hey, what's up? You know, sure. It's my work phone. I'm using it to stream or something. Yeah, let me get you back. All right. She ain't one night. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, so we got our range. Amari calling you? They don't want nothing, bro. You hung up on them? All right, this is what we got. So we got our first 15 minutes. So now, if any of my favorite stocks close below this range, the top or the bottom, with a 5-minute candle, preferably a 15, but 5 minutes to get in early. But I don't know, since it's Friday, I'm still trying to debate if I'm gonna do 0 days, if I'm gonna do Lotto Friday, and just manage my risk as far as like the amount of money I put into the contracts and cutting quick, or if I'm just gonna go to Safe Friday and go a week out.
Mom, what is it? I didn't. The mom was calling me.
What y'all talking about, bro? It's crazy. These boys literally just left each other and calling. All right, hey, you about to get kicked out the office, bro. You too loud. All right, let's see. Apple's going down. Apple's going down. Tesla. All right, let's see. We got Tesla. Apple might be a move though. Apple already closed below ADR, so let me see where it could go. Try me, I deserve to. All right, 312 is a higher day. Apple could get down to like 304. Let me go ahead and put my PT there. 304.74. That's how low Apple could get. And it's breaking through ADR right now. Let me see what Apple look like on the daily though. Ooh, yeah, it's bleeding on the daily too. All right, so I'm looking at Apple so far. Tesla's still in this opening range. Apple might be the move. And maybe Meta. Put Meta up there. Meta calls look good. Right now, my mind could change in a second, so don't jump in. Okay. All right, yeah, I'm looking at Apple. Market still look red. All right, we got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle, and then I'm probably gonna jump in Apple. QQQ is still going down. Let's look at SPY. SPY is still going down. So we're looking at Apple right now. We'll see. I want to see a close. I want to see a candle close though. Tesla, Apple. Okay, didn't quite close. All right, let me just look one more time. Tesla not really moving. Meta. All right, I like Tesla. I like Meta and I like Apple right now. Oh, dang. All right, yeah, I'm about to jump in Apple. All right, we live. We in Apple right now. So we're below orb. 5-minute candle closed a little bit below it. All right, so we got in 305 puts. I end up getting 0 days because I just plan on being in and out. 257. I'm looking for 30%. So I got in at 257. So I'm down 7% right now. 30%. That give me a profit of $77. And then Apple it's trying to bounce right now. What is the market doing? As soon as I get in, this joint want to take off. Back into orb. SPY is trying to go down. So SPY didn't quite break orb yet. Alright, come on, Apple. Probably went too heavy, jumped in too early. Ouch. All right, we might have to cut this one. Rookie mistake. Yeah, let's go ahead and trim. Let's see. SPY just broke back down below orb. Let's see if Apple follows suit. I think I'm too heavy. I probably just need to trim my position a little bit. Yeah, okay. I just trimmed half of it. All right, SPY look like it's trying to go down. Tesla. Oh, dang, I forgot about this fan. I know that jumped me. That jump be loud. Okay, I'm glad I didn't get in Meta. Meta is pulling back. Dang, NVIDIA? Okay, NVIDIA might be the move too. SPY, like it's going down. Let me go back to the Apple chart. All right, we're still down about 9% on Apple. See what else we got. NVIDIA, how far can NVIDIA drop? Let me put that up there. NVIDIA could fall to 212.58. Turn that music down. All right, but that look like it's trying to bounce. Yeah, because NVIDIA is right at ADR, so I will wait to see what it does at ADR first. Apple's coming back down. Yeah, Apple's a slow burner. I trimmed half of that position. I had to trim half of that position. Because I feel like I'm right, but the fact that it's a 0 day, yeah, it could have got ugly quick. So now we only down $40. We down 3%.
How do you call Mari?
Huh?
How do you call Mari?
I don't know, son. Go back over there though.
How do you call Mari?
You call Mari? Go to FaceTime.
If I'm FaceTime.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
All right, let's see what we got. Apple still down 8%. What is Apple looking like over here? It's still looking bearish. It might take a second. Dang. Tesla's still chopping. Apple broke below ADR, but it's just chopping. Meta.
Mari?
If Nvidia closed below ADR, that might be the move. Let's look up Nvidia plays. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna do 0 days for Nvidia. I think I'm gonna at least do Monday. And I said it can get to 213, 212, 63. I'll probably do like a 215 put. Apple's breaking down, it looked like finally. Yeah, Nvidia could drop. Let me see what Apple looked like on the daily. Yeah, so on a bigger time frame, man, I think Apple realistic target for me will probably be like right here, 305.
Mari?
All right, we locked in. So we jumped in a little bit early on the Apple push. We jumped in on the 5 minute, which is always a little riskier. But now the 15 minute closes at 45 seconds. So that would like solidify our thesis, right? So if Apple closes below this wick right here, 307.53, and then I feel good if this 15 minute candle closes below that. If it bounces back into orb, then yeah, not so good. Oh man, Tesla's moving. That's the play. Come on, I gotta hurry up and get in it. Tesla calls. Let's go. It can get to 355. Yeah, Tesla. Tesla can get the ADR. Oh, dang. Sheesh. Okay. Whoa, that was a crazy pullback, bro. What just happened? That was crazy. Dang, y'all see that candle, bro? We bounced it back, but dog, that was scary, bro. That junk, as soon as I got in, that joint just tanked. But it's a lot of momentum though. The Bulls is eating that up. Bulls is eating that up. I'm back green on Tesla. I'm up 6% on Tesla. I'm about to go ahead and close this Apple. I closed Apple. All right, so I mean, where my target is right now is at ADR, which is like the average daily range. As soon as it's touched that, I'm out. Come on. I should have just took it. That was close enough though. I feel like it's gonna touch it though. Up 10%, 12%. All right, I'm out. It's getting close to ADR, so I didn't want to take it. So, yeah, I took an L on Apple. I'm pretty much break even right now. So I took an L on Apple. I should have been patient. I don't even like trading Apple like that. But took an L, lost $258 on Apple, but then I just got $258 on Tesla. So right now I'm break even. And I did not put any of those play. Bro, yeah, it's insane, bro. It's insane. But now it's at ADR. So I want to watch. If Tesla closes above ADR, then it has a lot more room to go. So let me go ahead and do the calculation on where it could go if we break through ADR. The low today. Yeah, so if we break it, oh Lord, 359.97 is where it could get to if we close. 359.97. So basically 360. This is where it could get to on the day. But it's rejecting ADR now too. So I just want to see a candle close above ADR. Then I'll be in it. I'm glad I got out of Apple. Let me move that back down. I ain't touching that again today. And I know Apple is a little choppy, bro. Apple be moving choppy. That's why I really like only Tesla and Nvidia and AMD. So we made our money back. Now I need to make a profit for the day. So I'm gonna watch Tesla.
Hey, I've been calling you 2 times in a row.
Let's see. AMD is still in this range. Tesla might be the move, bro. That was a lot of volume. Like that candle, this candle right here, when it pushed up. But we're going to be patient, right? There's no need to jump in early. We're going to see how it does at ADR because all we got to do is just catch a part of the move. I'd rather just be right and catch part of the move than try to guess and catch a piece of it. So, yeah, we got about 30 seconds. If we close where we at in about 30 seconds, I'm in it. I'll probably get back in. So I think it could get to 359. I'll probably get to 357 calls.
Let me see. Let me see what the games I have. I have a Brookhaven.
Yeah, it's looking good right now. Tesla might be the move today.
Mr. Mick. Chicken Lucky Box. It's nothing.
Hey, Kaka, you got to go in there, okay? You too loud. Oh, yeah.
I'm playing Mr. Mick.
All right. Oh, no, I went too heavy.
Okay, I didn't get right.
All right, cool. So yeah, so now this is our target 359.57. We closed a 5-minute candle above orb. I mean above ADR. So we're above orb and ADR. We up 10%. Well, my heart beating right now. We up 11%. 18%. 19%. 20%. I'm taking it. Woo! We're done, baby. That's it. I'm just saying, I'm not going back, even though it can still run a little bit more, but it's 0 days. We in and out with that. We in and out, bro. We in and out, baby. Dang, my heart still beating. But look at that jump. Now that jump about to go. It's about to go. It's about to go. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Woo, boy. Yeah, it's about to take off. All right, so dang, I didn't even get to post that in the Discord. It's all good. Ain't nobody in there listening right now anyway. Only person that would pay attention is the one that's off. All right, so let's see. All right, let me go through the stats, man. Position. Let's go to the history. All right, so we got in these contracts at 250, 234, sold at 285. That was a, what is that? Crazy. But you can see the power like day trading, man. But I still preach to anybody, like, you still got to do your long-term holds, right? And this is why we use Strix, right? Because in my community, I believe that everybody should put majority of their money into high quality stocks and crypto, and you don't want to lose your real money, right? So you risk the prop firms. So right now, this account probably cost me like $80 to trade this account, but the upside is unlimited, right? So I could try to trade and make as much money, and I'm not risking my real money. I'm trading somebody else's money, right, to get payouts. And then when I get payouts, I'm putting that into the long-term holds. That's the plan. But yeah, man, day trading is risky, but like you can still make some money off of it. So 234. So let's see, what was our percentage? Dang, I'm mad I didn't put that in the Discord though. That was a monster play. It happened too quick. That's the beauty of live streaming, man. Because look, it hit our target too. Boom. Now let's see what it does when it gets to my target. I want to see how accurate, like if it's just going to pull back as soon as it hit it, or if it's going to keep going. So that was about 22%. So let me put that in there. Ooh, boy. That was crazy. I didn't even get to use none of my soundboards. I got the soundboard up and everything. And D, you my witness, bro. That jump happened that happened too quick to even call that one out. Like I wouldn't be able to type that one out that quick. Look, it's starting to pull back. You see my target? Let's see if it rejects. But it looked like it's rejecting right now. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Let me write in the Discord. But you know what now? So I got multiple accounts. So I got a day trading account. And then I got a swing trade account, and I got a third account that I'm gonna do like weekly swings. So I think I'm about to see some setups and see if there's anything that I could get into. All right. So Tesla, what did we get in? Tesla 357.5 calls. We got in at 234. Contracts went to 285. which was like 22%. All right, cool, man. So that was a solid trade, solid day. Let's look in, yeah, it was way too quick, bro. All right, let's see what else is out there, man. Not for this account. I'm done with this account for today. Y'all hear my son in the background. Hey, I wish I wouldn't have took that L on Apple though. Can you have an apple? I'm talking about the stock, bro. But yeah, if you want an apple, you can have an apple. All right. Let's see. You know what? Now I'm gonna wait to the end of the day. I could wait to the end of the day. I'm gonna find a swing at the end of the day, like power hour. But look, man, like the strategy, bro, it worked. Look at this. Look at this rejection. I'm not saying it's not going to eventually push past it, but I know I'm anticipating like a run up to that level. And once it hit that level, it's going to be some resistance. You know what I mean? And in the options world, especially on 0 days, that pullback from here to here, that's probably that's enough to take somebody out. Yeah. Well, I can't wait for them to start next week. All right, let's see. Yes, sir. All right, man. Oh, yeah, look at that rejection. See, if I was greedy, I would get in puts, but now I ain't gonna do that because it could pull back. All right, let's see what crypto doing, man. Solana is at 91. Yeah, so it hit 93. Solana was moving this week. Boy, I'm glad I bought those 500 coins. I got them joints just in time. So now, we broke out of this little consolidation range. So the next test will be up here around 97, like that $100 mark. And we'll see what we do here. My guess is probably we get to the top of this and we probably reject. But that's the new channel now. It's going to be up here. This is the new target.
Daddy.
What's up?
Can I watch a show?
Can you watch a show?
Yeah, I don't want to watch the other. I want to watch this show though.
But yeah, go in the living room and watch it. Boy, you better count your days, brother. You got school on Monday. All right, let's see. So this is the top. This is where I'm looking Solana to get. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a crazy day too. Broke out of this consolidation range, right? That we've been going in since June. Broke out to the upside. We're probably looking to get up to 82,000. And then we'll see what we do at the top of that channel. Once we get 82, we'll see if it breaks through and goes to the next channel, or if it rejects it, we see lower lows. So I still don't think this is the end. I don't think we've seen the bottom yet. I think we probably, run up, and then towards the October, we probably see a pullback. But now I just wanted to bring Tesla back up because I wanted to see, so I could show y'all like my levels don't be BS, bro. Like, look at this. It's crazy, right? Boom, got to close to the level. Now it's rejecting. It's pulling back. Crazy. Sheesh. Oh yeah. They're gonna pull the rug. My fault. I just saw the comments. Yeah, like, that's what I'm saying. I don't think this is the bottom. I don't think we've seen the bottom yet. I think what I'm saying, this is how they always do, right? Like, this is what they've been doing every bear market. They'll run the price up. People will be like, oh man, I thought I had more time, and they start rushing to buy. And then it'll take, right? But it's just, I know one of these days the run up is going to be real, right? And we are getting close. Like, we're in August. We're getting close to the end of the bear market year, right? So one of these run-ups is going to be for real. I'm not sure, but I'm anticipating we have one more pullback in October, and then after that, the run-up is real. But I just didn't. I just the trick is to make sure you have a big enough bag to where if it is the run-up, that you're gonna make money, right? And then like you still want to have some money to the side to where if it's not the run-up, you just buy more. So right now I'm kind of halfway to my target. I got 2 Bitcoin, 500 Solana. And I'm okay. Like if it takes off without me, I'm okay with just dollar cost averaging and adding to my positions until I'm satisfied. And if it tanks, I'd be even happier because I get to finish my goal. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. But cool. Where we at? 10, 16. How long we been streaming? 38 minutes. It's cool. I'm glad my internet not tripping today, bro. My internet, that was a sign yesterday not to trade. All right, let's see. What else we got? Let me see. Let me look at my portfolio. I'm going to see if there's anything interesting out there. Dang, NVIDIA. Now NVIDIA is dropping. Look at NVIDIA. So NVIDIA was my second choice of play. NVIDIA going down. Hey, I had to get Alexa right before I even started the stream this morning. I had to find the R&B jazz, man. Now I was mad, bro. I was doing the stream, and I had like just old school music playing in the background, and next thing I know, YouTube was like, "All right, we're taking your video down." I was like, "Dog, they don't play," and it was just like a little snippet, like you know what I mean, like it was just a little snippet of a song, and they caught it. A whole hour stream, probably about 30 seconds. I think it was Busta Rhymes or somebody in the background, and they caught it and yeah, told me they're gonna take the video down. All right, man. So let's look at our stocks. Microsoft, like it's probably about to go down. Yeah, Microsoft had a crazy run up. What about Google? Let's see what Google's on. So Google, man, I think that's going to be that's the super stock. This is one that after I load up on crypto, I really want to get a bigger position in Google. It's in the middle of everything, bro. The whole AI trade, and you got the whole consumer, like with streaming, with YouTube and stuff like that. Google gonna be unstoppable. But I'm gonna say that for our stuff, like our classes and stuff. I ain't gonna give all that information out on YouTube for free. But dog, yeah, man, cool. All right, it's cool. It's been about 40 minutes, 10, 20, solid 40-minute stream. It was solid. We got in Tesla, got in and out, made a quick, what was that? Made a quick like 600 on Tesla. After losing, I did lose 300 on Apple. But oh no, I made more than that because I got in. Hold on, yeah. My fault. So how much did I make on the day? Yeah. So we lost 300 on Apple. That was the first play. Then we got in Tesla. Let's go back. I'm gonna recap real quick before I end it. Yeah. So we took an L on Apple, lost about 250, 260. Got in Tesla, rolled Tesla up to ADR, right? Which is crazy, D, because this is the same thing that happened yesterday, right? Remember, we got in Tesla, rolled Tesla down to lower ADR, took profit. Then it dropped below ADR, and I was like, oh, we got a lot more room to go. Got in, and it went against me, right? Did the same thing today. Rolled it up to ADR, took profit, and then I seen it close. So ADR probably was like right around here. Seen it close above ADR, and I was like, oh yeah, it still got a lot more room to go. Jump back in, and it hit my target. Boom, got in and out. You know what I'm saying? So crazy. Smooth day. Smooth day. Not even tripping. And like I said, I'm probably gonna come back around like later on this afternoon, and look up for some setups in my swing play account, and see if there's any setups out there to swing. Right. But yeah, bro. Crypto still going crazy. Portfolio going crazy. Let's look at something real quick. Woo, we back. We back, baby. We back. All right. I ain't see that number in a minute. So we back. Dang, I'm giving out all the plays. Hold on. Giving out all the plays. Let me see what crypto doing. Yes, sir. All right, we back. Sheesh. All right, man. It is 10:20. Good day. The portfolio looking good. Made a good day in trading. I'm about to go ahead and call it a day. Get some stuff done for the day and go about my day. But man, appreciate y'all. I'll probably be back streaming next week. I'll probably be back on Monday. But moving forward after that, I think I'm gonna do Wednesdays and Fridays where I just stream. So I'm gonna have set days. But for right now, Monday and Friday next week, I'll be back on. And then the week after that, we go on Wednesday, Friday. Oh, cool.